Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. You are looking for a comprehensive guide on how to change your router's Wi-Fi name, that is the SSID, and set a strong password. This is a fundamental step in securing and customizing your home network. But why change them? First of all, it's because of security. The default Wi-Fi name often includes the router's brand or model, making it easier for potential attackers to identify vulnerabilities. Changing it to a strong, unique one prevents unauthorized access. Another reason is because of personalization. A custom Wi-Fi name makes your network easily identifiable among others. Another reason is because of privacy. Just avoid using personal information like your full name or address in your Wi-Fi name. Now, before you start, let's gather what you need. You need your router's IP address. This is how you can access your router's settings. You can usually find it on a sticker at the back of your router, like mine in here, or even in the manual, which you will find inside the router's box. You will also need your router's admin username and password. These are for logging into the router's configuration page, and the default one are also found at the sticker on the back of your router. You'll also need an Ethernet cable because this is recommended for the most stable connection during setup. You'll also need a computer or smartphone or tablet to access the router settings page. Now, this is the step-by-step guide to change now the Wi-Fi name and password. Let's get into that. You will now start by connecting with Ethernet. Plug one end of an Ethernet cable into any of the LAN port that is usually numbered 1 to 4 on your router. Plug the other end into the Ethernet port on your computer. If an Ethernet connection isn't feasible, you can connect to your current Wi-Fi network, the one you want to rename or secure. Just ensure that you have a stable connection. Now open a web browser. I'm inside Google Chrome in here. Enter your router's IP address, the one we just saw at the back of your router. Press on enter and you will be inside here. You'll be brought inside here. Now you'll need to log in. You'll be prompted for a username and password, and even at times SN number like mine in here. If you haven't changed them, they will be found at the sticker at the back of your router as well. Just enter the router's admin username and password and the SN as well. Once you have done that, click on OK and you'll be brought inside here. You can now start making changes. Change your Wi-Fi network name, that is the SSID. You can do that by navigating to wireless settings. Look for a section labeled wireless, Wi-Fi settings. Mine is just inside here at the home page. I'll just click on this Wi-Fi icon right here. And as you can see, I have the Wi-Fi name and password in here. If that's not the case for you, within this section, just find the field labeled wireless network name, SSID, or primarily SSID. Now enter a new name. Choose something unique that doesn't identify your personal information. Avoid generic names like default or link SYS, something like that, as they will attract unwanted attention. Now, a good example is the wired life, like that. And in here, just set a new strong Wi-Fi password, which is also a wireless security key. This is the password devices will use to connect to your Wi-Fi. And once you are done, click the save button to have all the settings applied. These are some of the additional security recommendations. Update router firmware regularly. Manufacturers release updates to fix vulnerabilities and improve performance. Check your router's interface and enable automatic updates if your router supports it. Also, you can disable WPS, which is the Wi-Fi protected setup. While convenient, WPS can have security flaws. It's generally safer to disable it and manually enter your Wi-Fi password when connecting new devices. Also disable remote management unless you specifically need to access your router settings from outside your home network. Turn this feature off. Another thing to do is to enable guest network. If your router supports it, set up a separate guest Wi-Fi network. This allows visitors to access the internet without having access to your main network, keeping your primary devices and files more secure. Now, by following this guide, you'll have successfully renamed your Wi-Fi network and more importantly, secured it with a strong password and protected your router's administrative access. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.